love, love, this is love, this is love, love, this is love, 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 this is love, this is love. Down for the bass sound, 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 down for the bass sound. Up on the drop it lines, 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 drop it lines.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video from pesmobilepatch. So bhai, आज we are back with another patch video. I was looking for this version of the update of the patch. I just found it and I just sorted out the link from Mega. So here we go, we are back with another patch video. So it's a Barcelona patch. तो भाई बार्सिलोना का पैच है यार. ये subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and don't forget to click the bell icon also. So let's go. Here we go, we have patch for PES mobile 2021. We can see iconic Messi on the front, and iconic payola, and it's Ronaldinho on the back. So let's go, we're running the game, and I hope it's a very good patch because I have already used it at version 5.2.0 and now it's version 5.3.0 patch, and there are some new changes as well. Patch credits are for idsphone.com, a fantastic website he has made for the patches. I couldn't share the link of the website because it was very complicated and the patch could not be found. I found it very tough, and so I have sorted the patch and it's given in the description. For the password you can watch the full video and I will give it at the end of the video. Here we go, you can see the new cards and new icons. The pink animation is fantastic. The Barcelona, the LALIGA animation is at the back, so you can see that. Okay, there we go. I'm showing the new faces of the players. You can see here. Yeah, look at this now, beautiful pages, faces, and all the players. You can see at the back Haaland of 86 rated, and also 96 rated Haaland, 94 rated Cristiano Ronaldo at level 1, and 98 rated 97 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. So it's a very good patch. You can see all the logos are being updated. The English Premier League and the Serie A, Italian League, and Spanish League also. So you should download this patch. I will recommend highly. Again, I am saying that patch credit goes to IDS phone. He's making fantastic content these days, and I love this one. I love this man. Let's see. I'm showing you just the matchmaking and just the score line on the top left, and the intro to the match of the PES this time. Good conditions of the players. Here they are. Okay, Bruno Fernandes, you can see very good conditions. तो भैया पैच आ गया अपना 5.3.0 का, तो इंश्योर करते हैं पैच हमारा will be used in the thumbnail. Okay, come on, here we go. You can see, look at this is beautiful. I'm taking the screenshot, it will be used in the thumbnail of the video. Here we go, you can see this Manchester United versus pesmobilepatch, and look at that on the top left. This is fantastic. The score line for official La Liga is beautiful, hasn't it? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to just show the. Okay, there we go. That's a beautiful ball by Manchester United players. Okay.